Hi, you can download the Expert Advisor that is built in this video. You can use it in your own codebase. Just click on the link below the video.
In this video, we are going to create an Expert Advisor that uses the MACD indicator to generate buy and sell signals. Let's see how we can do that. We start by opening Metaeditor. You can do that by clicking on the little icon here or by pressing F4 on your keyboard. This opens the Metaeditor where we can write our MQL code. First, we need to include the trade library. We do this with the include statement for Trade.mqh. This gives us access to the CTrade class, which we will use to execute our trades. Next, we create an instance of the CTrade class. We name it Trade. This object will handle all our trading operations like opening buy and sell positions. Now we move to the OnTick function. This function runs every time a new tick comes in for the symbol we are trading. Inside OnTick, we first calculate the ask price. We use SymbolInfoDouble with the parameter symbol_ask to get the current ask price. We normalize this value to the correct number of digits using NormalizeDouble and underscore digits, which gives us the number of decimal places for the current symbol. Similarly, we calculate the bid price using SymbolInfoDouble with symbol_bid. Again, we normalize this value to ensure it has the correct number of decimal places. We create a string variable called signal and initialize it as empty. This will store whether we have a buy or sell signal. We create an array called myPriceArray to store price data. This array will hold the MACD values we get from the indicator. We define our MACD indicator using imacd. The parameters are underscore symbol for the current symbol, underscore period for the current time frame, 12 for the fast EMA period, 26 for the slow EMA period, 9 for the signal line period, and price_close to use closing prices for calculations. We set the array direction using arraySetAsSeries with true as the second parameter. This makes the array index 0 represent the current candle, index 1 the previous candle, and so on. We copy MACD data into our array using copyBuffer. The parameters are our MACD definition, 0 for the main line, 0 to start from the current candle, 3 to get 3 values, and myPriceArray to store the results. We get the current MACD value by accessing myPriceArray at index 0 and store it in MACD value as a float. We determine our trading signal based on the MACD value. If MACD value is greater than 0, we set signal to sell. If MACD value is less than 0, we set signal to buy. For the sell condition, we check if signal equals sell and if we have less than one open position using positions total. If both conditions are true, we execute a sell trade. We use trade. Sell with 0. 10 for 10 microlots, null for automatic symbol selection, bid as the entry price, bid plus 200 points as the stop loss, which is above the selling price, bid minus 150 points as the take profit, which is below the selling price, and null for no comment. For the buy condition, we check if signal equals buy and if we have less than one open position. If both conditions are true, we execute a buy trade. We use trade. Buy with 0.10 for 10 microlots, null for automatic symbol selection, ask as the entry price, ask minus 200 points as the stop loss, which is below the buying price, ask plus 150 points as the take profit, which is above the buying price, and null for no comment. Finally, we display the current signal on the chart using comment, which shows the signal is now, followed by the current signal value. We press F7 to compile the code. If this was too fast for you, or if you don't understand what all the code is doing, you maybe want to check out the premium course on our website, or watch one of the basic videos first. Now we go back to MetaTrader by pressing F4 or clicking on the icon. Back in MetaTrader, we press Ctrl and are to start the strategy tester. We pick the Expert Advisor that we have just created, enable the visual mode, and start a strategy test. Then we should see the Expert Advisor on the chart. If you are already a premium course member and have an idea for a video like this one, you can send us an email. In this video, we have learned how to create an Expert Advisor that uses the MACD indicator to generate trading signals. You have coded an expert advisor yourself with a few lines of MQL code that opens by positions when MACD is below 0 and sell positions when MACD is above 0, with predefined stop loss and take profit levels. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.